Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hi to all. How are you all? Today we start the new topic because I am making a different type of video. Last time we discussed input devices. Today we discuss output devices. Output device is necessary because if you using the input devices in computer field, you will use the output. In input devices, you can enter the data, capture the data. Output devices is using for to show the information or data. now now output device provides result in a suitable form after data processing. Output devices are used to get data out of a system. Now they should be able to do this as accurately and quickly as possible and with the minimum of human intervention. Okay, now we go further. Output devices using visual display units, screens, monitor, including this one visual, and also the hard copy devices including printer, inject printer, laser printer, dot matrix printer, and the plotters, and the sound devices, and computer control devices also including robots. Now first one, monitor or video, most common output device. Sorry, it have some mistake here about device, right? Now it is known as display screen. Now output display by the monitor is called soft copy. So it's ideal for the showing the result from any inquiry where no printer is needed. Now feature of the monitors and size, colors, resolution, and video display adapter. Types of the monitor: CRT, flat panel monitor, and touch screen monitors. Now CRT stand for cathode ray tube, create the image on the screen using the electronic beams. Now after that we have the other thing inside that one. Okay, now cathode ray tube create the image on the screen through electronic beam. Now this is same type that use in television, TV. It consists of one or more guns. These guns generate red, green, and blue colors. Now LCD, liquid crystal display. LCD screen are most often seen on the portable or the laptop computers. Now these are used in these application because they are small and light. Also used where space at the premium. Now these molecules, this substance line up in the such a way that the light behind the screens and create the image. Used in the banks and multinational companies nowadays, school and colleges, universities using this. Now GDU, graphical display unit, larger than the video and have a greater resolutions. Line on the screen don't look at the through. They are made up of lots of tiny dots. It's called pixel combination of that. Are often used to conjunction with the light pens. Now after that printers. Now it prints characters, symbols, and the graphic on the paper. Print resolution is commonly measured in the dots per inch (dpi). Different type of printer are impact printer, non-impact printer. What is impact printers? Now it's act like a typewriter. It produces the noise. It prints character or images in the striking a print hammer or wheel against an ink ribbon. These are the dot matrix printer, inside that one line printer and digi wheel printer. Nowadays we are not using these type of printer. Dot matrix printer produce that one printed images when tiny pins on the print had streak on ink ribbon. When ribbon press against the paper, it creates dots that they form characters and graphics, which can transfer print through layers of paper. Able to print multi-part sheets where multiple means 2, 3, 4 type of sheet you will insert, and you can multi part of sheet you can use for it and generate lot of noise. Its print quality is not good if you want to compare with the laser printer. Line printer is a fast, and also this is called character by character printer. Now line printer is a fast impact printer, prints an entire line at a time. Its speed is measured in the line per minute, line by line. Digital printer, similar to the typewriter, uses print wheel. A motor rotates the wheel. Now it's slower than dot matrix printer but better quality if you want to compare with the dot matrix printer. Non-impact printer. Printers characters and the graphics on a piece of the paper without sticking paper. These printer faster than the impact printer. Example of that one: inject printer, laser printer, thermal printers. Inject printers print character and the graphic by the spraying tiny drops of the liquid ink on paper. Now, paper head of an inject printer consists of the nozzle. It has two cartridges, black and white. Now, these printer can produce quality text graphics in the both black and white color. Slower than the laser printer but faster than the dot matrix printer. It can print 1 to 6 paper per minute, cheaper in the price and satisfactory in the colors. Laser printer, creates image on the paper by the laser beam, also called page printer because they print complete page at a time. It contains toner. Nowadays we are using this printer, and also inject printer. Through magnetic powder on a paper in the form of the microscopic dots. Advantage of that one: print a paper at a time, so it fast and it prints pages 10 page per minute ppm. They produce high quality of the text and graphics. They are quite in operation compared with the dot matrix, equipped with the paper trays for both the input and output paper. Disadvantage of that one are more expensive. You want to compare with the dot matrix or the inject printer. They are quite large and can take up lot of the disk space. Quite complex, so their repair bills can be multi-part extension cannot be used inside that one. Thermal printers is a printer that uses heat processes and transfer color, dyes or ink on the paper. Is the best color printer currently available, but it is very expensive. Plotter also types of printers. Now is an output device that is used to produce image quality graphic in the variety of the colors, used to create map, architecture drawing, graphs and charts. Plotter work by the drawing lines on the paper using pen head on the mechanical arm. It may be form of the flatbed plotter and drum plotter. Flatbed plotter used to plot or draw image. It contains pen for the drawing image. The paper is placed on the table like surface. Software instruction the pens to move down on the paper. Now drum plotter uses a rotating drum or the cylinder. Now drawing pens are mounted on the drum. Pen move to the left to right as the drum rotates. Advantage of the drum plotter is that the length of the plot is almost unlimited. voice output. Visual pe- Visually, people find the spoken word from the computer. A special software is used for this process. In a word processor, each letter is typed and it can hear with the hand headphone. Now, audio output. Audio devices translate audio information from the computer into the sounds that people can understand. Speaker and headsets. Now, electrical signals. Now, sometimes the output from the one computer system can simply be a series of the electrical signal. In the case of one computer is being used, terminal is a terminal and work that done sent by the electrical signals. Now, electrical signal can be output and used to control all the kind of devices such as heating system, alarm, robots, calculators, computer aided manufacturing, CAM, and computerized numerical control, CNC. Now, control that one. Computer control devices, robots. A typically computer control device uses the computer aided manufacturer as a robot arm. Okay, thanks a lot. Subscribe my channel, and if you have any query, any question, give the comments on the comments box. I will reply inshallah on it. Take care by yourself. Inshallah, we will meet again on the new chapter, a new topic. Okay, subscribe my channel, share the video. Okay, Allah Hafiz and take care by yourself.